Private landowners have a closer eye on the ground on their own properties than any land manager is going to be able to, because usually it's a smaller property, usually they're walking it once a week at least, and so they're really clued into what's happening. Being a private lands biologist for Rivers Edge West, we'll do outreach events for volunteers and private landowners, just kind of awareness that they have more to gain by doing conservation restoration practices. With this partnership position and working in tandem with private landowners, we get to do more outreach and education and try and get restoration on your riparian corridor.